It's Tech Thursday. I'm Cassie.
And I'm Nicole.
And this week we're going to be talking about some technical stuff.
We're going to get a little meta here.
Yeah.
You may have looked around the internet, and actually I first noticed this a little bit when I started using Pinterest. Sometimes when you, let's say, look at recipes with bacon in them, and let's face it, maybe bacon isn't the star ingredient. Sometimes it plays a supporting role. It might not be in the title of the recipe, but maybe you just have like 5 pounds of bacon and you want to use it in the recipe. So I go on Pinterest. Okay, maybe you just have 3 slices of bacon, okay? And you want to just use it in a recipe. Anyway, so you go on Pinterest, you type in recipes with bacon for your 3 slices of bacon that you have left over in the fridge that you want to do something fun with. Now, sometimes you click on a recipe, it just basically has the picture, because Pinterest has pictures, and it has a little description below it. And it probably has the word bacon somewhere in the picture. But sometimes you look at a recipe and you see that bacon is listed as an ingredient with all the other ingredients. And so it's almost like somebody has gone and made these recipes look super special compared to these other sort of lamer recipes. And you may wonder, well, how is that website more special than this other website? And what makes it more special is the microdata, also sometimes called rich snippets, also sometimes called Open Graph Protocol, also sometimes called Twitter cards, also sometimes called schema, yeah. And all this is to say that this is different markup data that you can put on your website to let the internet know what it's looking at. So for example, if you're putting a recipe on your website, you could just put a big old block of text with some pictures in it on your blog post, or you could put the ingredients code, little markup, and type in your ingredients, put the little directions markup code, put in the directions, put the little featured image code, link to the featured image. And so what happens is you can really control how that information is displayed when it gets shared on other websites like Facebook or LinkedIn or sites like that. And also you can make it really search engine friendly because I know when I type in recipes with bacon, it knows to look in ingredients for bacon. And not just the title of my thing being bacon.
And depending on where you want to share it, there may be more information that you can throw up there. So, for instance, like when you're sharing something on Facebook, you're using Open Graph Protocol. There's a little bit more limit with what you can do there. So you can say like how long your video is, how big you want your image to show up.
Yeah, but Open Graph Protocol does not have recipe markup. And sometimes you have to pick like which markup language you want to use. And there's a couple of ways to do it. One is that you can just use the markup language in your code, or if you wanted something a little bit simpler, which let's face it, a lot of us do, a lot of different programs like WordPress have, you know, a schema plugin or have an Open Graph Protocol plugin. And what you can do is you can tie that in with your Facebook presence, or you can tie that in with, you know, what you're doing on your website, and have that sort of have those codes sort of automatically generated with your site.
You can make it easy for everyone to get the bacon.
So, I mean, there's lots to know about markup data. I mean, do you have to do everything? No. But is it cool to know that this exists and that you can use this technology?
Absolutely.
Yeah, totally. So anyway, that's all we got for today. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of us.
Visit our website at breakingevening.com or leave a comment on this video.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye.
See ya.